So I'm not gonna touch the chicken, we're just gonna dump it in.
That's what I love about using frozen chicken. You don't have to touch it. Just dump
Throw
and
it
go.
in.
Yep.
So we have 4 chicken breasts in there, but you can have 3 if you want to, so.
Yep.
All right, next you wanna add garlic in for me?
Yep, so we've got like 2 cloves of garlic, or about a teaspoon.
Nice.
If you're using that.
And then cumin, however you want to say it. We got 2 tablespoons of this, and I love this and chili powder together is like 2 of my most favorite things.
It's perfect for Mexican recipes, I think. Those are the best flavors together.
Ugh, if I can get
A
it.
little more.
Here we go. There we go. All right.
Okay.
So 2 of that, and then 2 chili powder. You want to do it?
Yep.
Awesome. Oh, that was a little easier to pull out.
Yeah, this one isn't so packed in. Whoops, that one might have a little bit extra.
It's a little bit of spice.
It's gonna have a kick.
Okay, so next we're gonna add a 1/2 cup of brown rice.
Okay.
So we're gonna actually put it kind of in the bottom so it will be covered with the liquid.
All right. Could you use a different kind of rice if you want?
You could.
Okay.
It will cook a little bit longer because brown rice takes about 25 minutes to cook, and that's how long we're gonna be cooking this for.
Okay.
So it'll be good.
All right, well, I'm gonna dump in a can of black beans. They've already been rinsed and drained. So there's that, that's loud.
Nice, you wanna do the tomatoes too?
Yep,
And I'll
so this is just a can of diced tomatoes. Dump that right on top.
And then about 1.5 cups of chicken broth. And we're just gonna eyeball it, not quite half, but 1.5 cups. Close
Okay,
enough.
cool. All right, so lid can go on.
Lid is on.
All right.
Now, the thing about this recipe is that it's the burrito bowls, chicken burrito bowls, and so after this cooks, that's all the good stuff happens after it's done cooking.
Okay.
So, okay, are you ready?
Yep.
So this is a different kind of Instant Pot that we're using. We're gonna make sure this little knob is turned to sealing.
Yep.
Then go ahead and push the manual button or the pressure cook button, whatever your Instant Pot has. And then because it's frozen, we're gonna go up to 25 minutes. There we go. And after a few seconds, it will say on. That means you did it right, and you can just walk away. All right, when this is done, we'll come back.
Okay, so our chicken is done in the Instant Pot. We already vented it.
Yes.
We already let the spray fly. Though it really wasn't bad. It was just steamy. Okay.
All right, so now shred the chicken.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you
I'll
that
pull
job.
this out.
Okay. Oh, there we go.
So this chicken, you really could use it for so many different things, right?
Right.
Any
right.
Mexican tacos, burritos, nachos, like whatever you feel like.
Exactly.
But what are we doing with this
We're
today?
doing a little bit healthier today, so we're gonna put it on some lettuce or salad, whatever you want. I like it actually on spinach is my favorite, but we're gonna use like the romaine today, so.
Perfect.
Awesome, so once you shred the chicken, then you're gonna throw it back in there and get all the flavors and stuff on the individual
this is
pieces.
really good
Yeah,
and and the rice is in there.
rice and beans and all the good stuff.
I'll hurry and finish shredding this up.
All right, chicken's all shredded. Now it's for the good stuff. Okay, I'm gonna use the slotted spoon. Is that okay?
Oh yeah,
Just
for sure.
Get some beans, get some chicken and rice, all the good stuff.
Sometimes when we make this, I will make salads for my husband and I, but the kids will make like quesadillas with it.
Oh, that's a
or
good
like
idea.
wrap it in a tortilla because that's so much easier for them to eat.
Right?
Yep.
Okay, so now we just add the good stuff on.
All your favorite
Yep.
toppings.
And
Okay.
you can add whatever you want.
So
But
sour cream.
let's see, first we'll add,
We're gonna make this look pretty.
yeah, maybe a little bit of tomatoes, a little bit of cheese.
Cheese. Yep, I can do
salsa.
cheese.
Okay. I'm gonna use your fork to get out some of the salsa.
Go for it.
Okay,
My husband likes to put jalapenos on it just for like an added kick.
I would love that.
So that's a good addition.
and I love like the guacamole stuff too.
Oh yeah,
on it.
guacamole. Corn. I love corn on it.
Corn.
I don't know.
I love it. All right, guys. Super simple, easy, healthy. I mean, if you even take out the sour cream, it's still super healthy.